For big areas and busy schedules, Tomahawk 38-inch push sweepers cover a wider path to reach more surface area so you can finish sweeping faster, around indoor and outdoor spaces, and on wet and dry surfaces. Watch this quick assembly guide to get you started today. After unboxing your power sweeper, you will find that the tool arrives almost completely assembled. Raise the handles and open the hopper bit to find the sweeper's two front brooms. Lift one broom arm and begin unscrewing the 3 screws attached underneath, using the screwdriver included in the toolkit. Repeat for the second side. Next, align the first broom to the holes in the arm and begin to fasten it in place with the screws. Repeat for the second side. Next, to lock the handle in the upright position, loosen the knobs at the base of the handles, and then pull the handlebar up to align it with the slots at the base of each side. Push the handlebar down into the slots and tighten the knobs to lock it in place. Lastly, adjust the main brush control located at the back of the outdoor sweeper to raise or lower the brush roller located underneath the sweeper. Additionally, you can raise or lower the front brushes to your ideal height for a lighter or deeper cleaning of any hard surface. Now that your push sweeper is assembled, you are ready to tackle floors, sidewalks, garages, and more.